In today's video, I'm going to teach you Set Light Theme in YouTube. If the dark look isn't your style or it makes certain thumbnails and text harder to read, switching to the light theme can make the interface cleaner and brighter in just a few clicks. Start by opening YouTube in your browser. Look to the top right corner of the page for your account area. You'll see your profile picture or a circular user icon there. Click it to open the account menu. This is the hub for quick settings like your channel, Google account, and appearance preferences. If you don't see your picture, you're still in the right place. YouTube will show a generic avatar instead, and the menu will work the same way. In the menu that appears, find the option labeled Appearance, Device Theme, and click it. This line tells you what YouTube is currently following. When it says Device Theme, YouTube is matching your computer or system-wide setting. That's why you might see YouTube switch between dark and light automatically when your device changes modes. Clicking, this opens a simple panel with your display choices so you can take direct control. Now, select Light Theme. The moment you click, the site updates instantly, no reload or save needed. You'll notice the background turn bright, menus and sidebars adopt lighter tones, and text and buttons adjust to maintain good contrast. If you ever want to go back, you can return to the same appearance panel and choose Dark Theme, or pick Use Device Theme to let your computer setting decide for you. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the appearance panel doesn't open right away, give the page a quick refresh and try again. The theme setting usually applies to your current browser profile, and if you're signed in, it may be associated with your account. That means if you use multiple browsers or devices, you might want to repeat this change on each one to keep things consistent everywhere you watch. Also, if you often browse late at night, keep in mind you can switch back to dark whenever you like. YouTube makes this toggle fast, so you can change it based on your lighting environment. That's all there is to it. Click your account icon, open Appearance, and choose Light Theme. Enjoy the brighter look, easier readability in daylight, and the crisp feel that comes with a lighter interface. If this helped, feel free to share it with someone who prefers a clean, light look on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.